will look at this page in detail, and by the end of this session you should have a good understanding of how you are able to use your call details page. Let us now go ahead and look at the various sections of your call details page. On the top left hand side of our call details page, you will see the assigned to card, and this illustrates the agent to whom this call has been assigned. If necessary, you are able to reassign this call to another agent. In order to do so, go to the right hand side of the assigned to card and click on the little assigned to icon. In the dialog that appears, go to the Select Agent drop-down list, and then from this list go and select the agent to whom you want to assign this call. Once you have done that, click the Save button. The call will now be assigned to that newly selected agent. To the right of the Assigned to card is the Call Info card. This card displays all the metadata relating to the current call. And on the far right hand side of this Call Info card is a little eye icon, which when clicked will render more metadata relating to this call. The metadata that is displayed in these cards is dependent upon your PBX and the data that it is able to provide. To the right of the Call Info card is another card known as the Access Log card, and inside this card there is a lock icon. Clicking on that lock icon will reveal a dialog in which all the activity that has occurred on this call will be listed. For example, should the call have been played, it will show who played the call and at what time. If the call had been downloaded, likewise it will show the date and time of when the call was downloaded and by whom. So this provides a log of all the activity that has occurred on this call. To the right of the Access Log lock icon is a checkbox, Personal Call. Now, if a user logs in and has quality assurance license allowing them to do manual quality assurance, and they use the facility in which they are able to ask Callcabinet to randomly select a call against which they would like to do quality assurance, it is possible for the current logged in user to prevent this current call from being used in that random call selection process. To prevent this call from being used in that process, the current user would go ahead and check the Personal Call checkbox. Saying that this call is now a personal call will result in Callcabinet not taking this call into account when randomly looking for a call. And of course the opposite is true. If you want this call to be used inside the random call selection process, then this checkbox must be unchecked.